I love breaking down these costs. This is the opposite of the rinky-dink house. We're gonna add value to a family right now, but they can't afford a $380,000 house.
Like a boss.
With this 63 Klarner one, this seller needed a fast close.
The way we got the deal was by offering to pay first security to her new apartment and closing the deal fast.
I'm not gonna risk an end buyer not closing this deal. Our referral source, this guy who was working in Turkey at the time, I need to show this guy, listen dude, you send me a deal, I'm gonna make you as much as possible and I guarantee you we're gonna lock this sucker down and we're gonna take care of everything. All right, so we're at 63 Klarner Street. This is what we call a wholesale. You can buy a property much lower than what it's worth. You have to close on it and you resell it higher, but I'm still gonna make a nice profit on this thing without having to do all the work to it. So what are we gonna do to this thing? Pretty much nothing. It definitely needs a little bit of love to get it to like primo. A family can move in here. It's a 6-bed, 1.5 bath in Darlington, one of the best areas of Pawtucket, at a lower purchase price. It doesn't have granite. It doesn't have quartz. It doesn't have a beautiful backsplash and stainless steel appliances, but a family can still like it and still enjoy it. Solid size bedroom. Not huge. It's got paneling. And this is one thing that we're gonna fix though, right? You don't want like a hotel style where you get a bedroom that goes into another bedroom. So we'll wall this off. You got your full bath right here. Not modern, but super clean. Someone can definitely use it. And then you got a 3rd bedroom here. So there are these rooms up here that are not ideal for adults. For young kids, this would be a very solid room. If you turn around, you got another kid's bedroom. Maybe you make it into an office. There's a lot of options with this house. Right? There's not many 6-bed, 1.5 bath houses. This is one of them in a really nice area. Family with a vision is gonna see this as a finished basement. I can redo the floor down here. We got a cool bar. I can make this bar look nice. I'm gonna make it look nice myself. There's a half bath in here. We don't wanna have the vision on this house. We wanna get in and out. You got a garage. If you want a garage, you got off-street parking. Buyers are gonna want it. It's just at what price point. So we're gonna resell this for $300. Right away, realtor commission, that's $15K. Another, let's say like $5K in closing costs. I gotta put 10 grand in terms of dumpsters, clean out. I had to pay closing costs when I first bought the property. I bought it for $215. The spread on that is 45 grand. I will then send a referral check to our partner in Turkey for $22.5. You know, we make $22.5. It's another deal, but to really run a big business like we run, you have to do extreme volume.
Like a boss.